Hi, it's Chris Lechner here. Today I'm going to attempt to present my problem that I was assigned for this week in our triad group, and mine is number 38 in our textbook, and it is an election of 5 candidates, A through E, and I'm supposed to figure out the ranking method or the ranking of this election by using plurality with elimination. This kind of confused me at first, but then I slowly figured it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I came to the answer that I have. So I rewrote the diagram and I put it on a piece of paper. And as you see here, it's kind of sloppy, but I tried my best. So first, when you're doing the plurality with elimination, you have to, first of all, count up the number of votes. And by doing that, this is opposite for me, count up the first place votes, which is 40. And then you have to, with using the plurality method, you have to find the majority in this election. So you would half it, which would be 20, but you have to have 20 or more. So you would automatically move it up to 21. So you have to have 21 or more for a majority in this election. So what I did is I went along and I counted all the first place votes for A, B, C, D, and E. And as you see here, I've got A is 8, and B is 4, C is 11, D is 12, E is 5. So then you look at, okay, who's the lowest ranking there? And that shows that that would be B. So you have to eliminate B on the chart. So that's what I did. I went through all of the B's and I crossed them out. Now when you do this, you have to remember that anything that you eliminate no longer is there, so anything up below it gets moved up. So as you see here, this B was eliminated, so then E gets moved up to first place. So you do this, and then you have to recount. So then when I eliminated the B's, and so that put that out of the running. So then, and you go on and on every time until you come to the person who has the majority in votes. So what I found by eliminating all of these, I got a ranking of E was the winner, and D was second, C was third, A was fourth, and of course B was fifth. So that is how you use the plurality with elimination. It's basically going through and counting first place votes and then eliminating the ones that are the lowest and moving everybody up, recounting. So this is how I came to my answer. I hope that makes a little sense, and I look forward to watching your other videos. Thanks. Bye.